dear friends and ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to day number 42. In the last class, we have seen the rules regarding the placement of prepositions and also to use correct preposition in case of confusing prepositions. Today, let's continue with the phrase prepositions and the ABCD of some important prepositions. These notes, prepositions are very important in the spoken language and also in the written language. Today, let's see some phrase prepositions. Phrase prepositions are prepositional phrase. Both are the same meaning. A prepositional phrase are groups of words containing prepositions. Remember that prepositions are words that indicate the relationship between various elements with the sentence. This already I told you. So prepositions play a very vital role. Here, phrase preposition is one or two or three words coming together with a preposition. That's called phrase preposition. Beware of. Beware of means caution. Beware of. The sentence is, beware of dogs, lest you may be bitten. Beware of your heads. Beware of. Be cautious. Beware of means be cautious. Born of. Born of is parents. Born of is parents. Shanti was born of good parents. Shanti was born of good parents. Born of. See, born to. The meaning differs. Born to. Babu is born to win. Born of and born to. Born to win. So here, born to win. I am born to be a marine engineer. Born to be a marine engineer. I am a marine officer. I born to be for the purpose of. For the purpose of. Compensate for. Compensate for. To give something to make up. The meaning is compensate for. To give something to make up. Christopher compensated for the loss. Compensated for the damages he had done. Compensated for the damages he had done. Compensate for. Compete with. To contest. Compete with. He will compete with his friends, with me, or he will compete with me for the first place in the 100-meter race. So I am a good runner. He will compete with me for the first place in the 100-meter race. Contribute to give. Contribute to. Contribute. Sundar contributed ₹1,000 to the flood victims. Contributed to. Contribute to. So Sundar contributed ₹1,000, the adjective, to the flood victims. So Sundar contributed ₹1,000 to the flood victims. Let's see some more phrase prepositions. Let us see some more phrase prepositions. Commence with, to start. Commence with is to start. Today, let's commence the class with the grammar. Or today, let's commence with the grammar lessons today. Or today, let's commence the class with the grammar lessons. So today, let's commence with. Cause of, that should be a reason. Cause of joy. Cause of. The cause of cancer is still unknown. The cause of cancer is still unknown. The cause of, the reason. The reason for cancer is still unknown. Differ from, in something. Differ from. My sister always differs from my choice for breakfast. So always differs. So my sister always differs from my choice for breakfast. So I have a choice, but she always differs. Discrimination between. That is discrimination between, the difference between discrimination. We should always discriminate between bad and good, between right and wrong. So we should always discriminate between good and bad, right and wrong, the right person and the wrong person. So many things we can discriminate. There should be no discrimination between blacks and whites. There should be no discrimination between blacks and whites. There should be no discrimination between the rich and the poor. There should be equality. There should be no discrimination between the rich and the poor. Likewise. Strive for, try hard. Strive for means strive for, try hard. It is futile. Futile means waste. Futile means waste. To strive for permanent joy in life. It's a waste. You cannot get permanent joy in life. So there in life there is ups and downs. So strive for, you should work hard. Strive for to achieve something. To work hard. So strive for is futile. To strive for permanent joy in life. Strive with, to compete again. To compete, strive with means to compete, strive for, and strive with the different meaning differs. Strive with, don't strive with the rich and the powerful. So don't compete with the rich and the powerful. They can do anything they want, but we cannot. So don't strive with the rich and the powerful. Let's do some more examples. Let's do some more examples. Don't side with those who act contrary to, national interest. She took exception to his oblique reference to her parents. Mr. Narayanan has been overwhelmed with grief since his young son met with an accident. At last, she acceded to his proposal for marriage after long negotiation. At last, she acceded to the proposal of marriage after long negotiation. The team was elated with joy. Very happy. The team was elated with joy over the victory. Despite financial program, they could not adhere to. The emergency meeting of the college staff approved of the budget proposals for the coming year. The emergency meeting of the college staff approved of the budget proposals for the coming year. They have apprised the authorities concerned with the failure of the plan. They have apprised the authorities concerned with the failure of the plan. Never judge of a metal by its glitter, as all that glitters is not gold. Never judge of a metal by its glitter, as all that it glitters is not gold. Let's see the ABCD of phrase prepositions, or some important prepositions and their meanings. Some important prepositions and their meanings. Prepositions meaning abound in, very rich in, abound in, lot of, rich in. Uttar Pradesh abounds in water resources. Uttar Pradesh abounds in water resources. Abounds. Abound with, full of. Abound in, very much. Abound with, full of. The forest is abound with streams. The forest is abound with streams. Abound with streams. The forest is abound with streams. Absolved from, declare free from. Absolved from. The courts absolved Ranjit, absolved from the crime. The court has absolved Ranjit from the crime, freed from the crime. So, freed from the crime. Absorb in. See, everything is absorbed. Absorb in is busy, very busy. Very busy. Kumar is completely absorbed in his work. He doesn't think anything else. Absorbed in means very busy. Absorbed in. He is absorbed in his work. Concentrated very much. He has no other concentration. So he is absorbed in his work. Abstain from, to avoid, or to hold oneself back, to avoid. His doctor asked Pradeep to abstain from fatty foods, not eat, or do not eat. Abstain from, to abstain from, to abstain from. His doctor asked Pradeep to abstain from fatty foods. Accede to, accept. Accede to, accept the request, accepts. My son acceded to my request, acceded to my request. My son acceded to my request, accede to. Let's do some more. Let's see some more examples. Let's see some more examples of phrase prepositions. Blind to defects. Blind to defects. Blind to two defects. We should not be blind to the fault of our children. We should not be blind to the fault of our children. Believe in, to have faith. Believe in is to have faith. I believe in him. I believe in him because he is honest. I believe in him because he is honest. Cure for some treatments. treatments. For example, there is no cure. There's no cure for coronavirus yet. There is no cure for coronavirus yet. There is no cure for coronavirus yet. Cling to hold tight. Cling to means to hold tight. The monkey clings. The child was clinging to his mother. The child was clinging to his mother. Cling to. The child was clinging to his mother. Die of. Die of means a disease. Die of a disease. Ramu died of cancer. Ramu died of cancer after a few days illness. Ramu died of cancer after a few days of illness. Enter into an agreement between two persons. An agreement enter into. India and China have entered into various agreements. India and China have entered into various agreements. With this, let's conclude for the day. There are hundreds of such phrase prepositions. I have used only the tip of an iceberg. The iceberg is very big. I have used only the tip of an iceberg. You continue to look for such prepositions and phrase prepositions which help to improve the way you speak. I shall see you tomorrow with a new lesson. Until then, please be connected with me and add your comments in the comments box. Please ask your friends and relatives, especially your students, to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button in the YouTube channel and the bell icon thereby. While clicking the bell, ask them to click all so that they may get all notifications.